Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to do an unboxing of an NES Classic Edition. Yep, it's a little mini version of the old Nintendo Entertainment System. So if you guys grew up on this little thing, it's awesome. You'll notice there's a boatload of games in here. So it has all those you see right there, and look on the back. There's the list of all the games they have. So it's pretty amazing. I got this because my wife loves Dr. Mario. So Lori's going to be set up. She's going to be playing Dr. Mario at the wazoo. And of course, I'm sure they'll play some of the Mario Brothers games or Super Mario Brothers games. And one of my little ones likes Kid Icarus. All right, let's open the box. So here's what's inside the box. This is so fun. We started to get going. And I said, no, we have to do an unboxing because this is just fun. So let's pull out this main part here. Look at this. The first thing you're going to see is something that we who grew up on Nintendo have literally come to love and we remember, and I just want to show you. It's pretty amazing. We're close up, so you probably won't see the whole thing on one graphic, but there it is. Look at that. Do you guys remember this graphic, this poster? This came in the old system since 1985, Nintendo Entertainment Systems. The original setup, even with the little robot and gyromite right there. Duck Hunt. Who remembers Duck Hunt? Anyways, back in the day, right? Do you miss this? So that's what they have in here. And then on the back, of course, your instructions for setting it up. This one you're going to see has a USB connector and an HDMI connector. We never had this high-end stuff, but powered right off the back of your TV if you want to, or you're able to. If not, there's an adapter. You can power it into the wall. So it comes with one controller. You may want to get another one and some extension cables. But that's up to you. They also have wireless cables, which is really awesome if you're used to that. Now, inside the box, check this out, guys. For you NES fans, you're going to love this. It is a mini version of what you know. It even feels like it's got a little bit of, it's different plastics right here. It's not just printed on. This is actually looks like it. Now, does it open? You put your cartridge in? No, they're all embedded. Imagine 30 games would have been like so many cartridges, but now they're all in this little box. The power and the select button are the same. Controller are right there. Like I said, you can get wireless ones, but they're separate. You only get one controller with this, so you have to order either a second one or whatever. And I got cable extenders, so we could do it that way. But again, there's wireless versions with the old school Nintendo joypad or whatever, and then there's your HDMI out and your DC in. Isn't that cool? It's HDMI. Very cool. So there's that. That's the main box that comes in here. Of course, you open up here and look at this. Oh, ain't it? Here it is, guys. Who remembers these? It even feels the same. Oh my goodness, it feels exactly the same. Unbelievable. There it is, the first controller. Now you can see that cable is not very long. So if you're plugging in the back of your TV, you're gonna be kind of standing up close to it. Feels like old times, right? Anyways, let's go on in. Inside of here is your power adapter that goes with it. So it does have one for your USB cable. Let's just see that real quick. There it is. So that'll power it should you need to. If you don't have power on the back of your TV, let's go get the box rest of the way open. All right, so here's your HDMI cable. So for folks that are asking and wondering, yes, it has the HDMI cable in it. And then, of course, here's your power cable. And that's all that's inside the box, right there. So that's the end of it. So really, you got your power cable, your joypad, your HDMI cable, and the power inverter, and, of course, the classic poster. All right, that's it. NES Classic Edition. Guys, we're going to go ahead and test this out and see how it goes. And later, we'll since it's HDMI, on our gaming channel, we'll probably do some of the gaming and show you that on this old thing. So there you go.